Actually move forward a little bit further. I didn't want to bore you anymore with showing you more and more paint, so I've actually done some paint off camera. That's one of the fairing panels. This one I've had a lot of issues with reactions and problems. There's one there that's got to be addressed. One just there. There's another one, I don't know if you can see it there. It's not far off, so. But the other panel, hasn't come out too bad. Pleased with that one. It's not coming out perfect. So this one's already had 3 coats of top coat. All I've got left to do now is obviously leave it to dry for a few days and then apply the decal. I've gone for just the normal one has Hayabusa written across it. I've just gone for the emblem itself in black, so that's got to be put on in probably about 3 or 4 days. So that one happy with. As for the rest of the bike, not really much has changed. It's mainly been concentrating on paint. I say that one's just had its 3rd coat of base. As I say, these issues that I've got, I'll have to see how this one goes, because I may have to go leave it to cure properly for probably 4 or 5 days. I may have to rub down and start again, which is a shame because the rest of it seems to be, all this area here seems to be an okay along the base here. I say it is just that area there, 2 areas there, and a little bit in there. I say just a short one today. Obviously I appreciate your feedback on the infills. I have been thinking about it, and it looks like I may just, like you say, I may just stay with black. And if I decide at a later date, I can always take them off and finish them off. But at the moment, they're just sitting there. Don't know if I can actually. See if I can squeeze that in. There we go, that's just a loose fit. Obviously there's a trim that goes along this bit. But yeah, I may just leave them black. Could match in quite well, break up the colour. So the only thing I haven't done is clear coated these, but I might just leave them as they are. Not clear coat them and then decide later on. But they come out really nice. So that's just a loose fit to give you an idea. Other than that, jobs for today is primarily take out the sprocket cover. I need to get the front sprocket off, replace that with the new one, and then get the chain in place. I'm not going to rivet it in yet. I want to see how it looks, and if I need to obviously move it forward or cut some links out, so it's not going to be, it'll be put on loosely with the link through it, but I'm not going to actually rivet it down, actually connect it properly. So first job will be get that off. Right, so they're 8mm. Alright, so it's just the 4 bolts, 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom. That's going to need a bit of a clean up. That's pretty horrendous in there. Yeah, it's definitely going to need a bit of a clean out in that one, so and that'll be the other one. I was hoping to leave the clutch part on, but I might strip that, put that in the parts cleaner, give that a clean up. As I say, main aim is to get that sprocket out. So that's the next job. Right, Allen key bolt in the middle. Right, that's undone. So that should just lever out. Obviously be careful when using screwdrivers, especially if it slips. Right, so Allen key in the sleeve. So now we've just got to get that nut off. Alright, 32mm. Right, and that's starting to undo anti-clockwise, so I'll get that off. Join me again in a few minutes. So, that's the nut off. We'll give that a clean up, it's pretty filthy. And the sprocket. Again, we'll clean these threads up. Right, remember there is a spacer on the sprocket. Yeah, we'll give all this a good clean up, that's pretty filthy.